Growing tomato plants can be a rewarding experience whether you're planting them in a garden, a container, or a greenhouse. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you grow healthy tomato plants. Choose the right variety, pick determinate or indeterminate types based on your space. Prepare the soil, select a sunny spot with well-draining, fertile soil, pH 6.0 to mix in compost or balanced fertilizer. Planting, start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost or by seedlings. Harden off seedlings before planting outdoors. Plant deeper than usual, spacing 18 to 36 inches apart. Support, use stakes or cages to support growing plants. Watering, water deeply and consistently. Mulch to retain moisture. Fertilizing, fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks, switching to lower nitrogen once flowering starts. Pruning, pinch off suckers to focus energy on fruit production. Pest and disease control, inspect regularly and use organic solutions if needed. Harvest, pick tomatoes when fully colored and slightly soft. End of season care, remove plant debris to prevent disease. Following these steps will help you grow healthy tomatoes. Join our community on YouTube for more organic gardening tips and tutorials. Subscribe today and never miss a video.